Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 crashing on Steam. Let's get started. Method 1. Reduce your Steam friends list. The first reason your game may be crashing is because your Steam friends list is too large. This might sound strange, but it's a known bug. If you have hundreds of friends on Steam, the game may crash. Try removing some friends and then launch the game again. Method 2. Change your Steam username. Another possible reason is your Steam username. The game may detect your username as offensive or inappropriate, even if it isn't. To fix this, change your Steam username, then try launching the game again. This has helped many users fix the crashing issue. Method 3. Verify game files. Open Steam. Go to your library. Find Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair any corrupted files. Method 4. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. Download the latest drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Install the latest version and restart your PC. Method 5. Go to the Start menu and type Check for Updates. Click on it. Now click Check for Updates. Make sure your system is fully updated. Method 6. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Restart your computer and launch the game again. Method 7. If nothing else works, try to uninstall and reinstall the game. This ensures all game files are fresh and not corrupted.